Doing a few shortcuts with Excel. We have a spreadsheet here where we have enrollments for the school. It looks a little ugly at this point here. Other thing too, we're doing a student count here. And when you look inside the cell here, the person used a calculator, added it up. We want to use a form where we're going to add columns G through T. So you could do the equal sum. Sometimes I just type it out, highlight the cells through here. Now this is cool. You've got the formula in here. You're going to pull it down another 40 odd rows. If I double click inside here with that black crosshair, I go down here, but take a look, the formatting got all messed up. You've got this little smart tag autofill options. What I click on here is a fill without formatting. So I've got the totals. If you see railroad tracks, just double click on it. Actually, a lot of the columns are not that right width here, especially when you look over here. If I highlight the whole sheet by clicking between that little triangle between the A and the 1, I double click, it widens things. I'm going to be printing this out. Other thing too, you might, if you look at these, especially column B, I narrow it. I go into here, make it narrower, click in here, click on wrap text. So that way you're getting to see everything on 2 lines. You're going to print right now. I just do a Control P. This should be landscape. I click on page setup. I'm going to click on landscape. I say OK. And it's still going off the pages here. And if I say fit to page, that's not going to be too cool, okay? So we want to get this on 3 pages. To do that, I could, if I make this a little narrower, and what I could do is that if I do this, this is actually going on to, it's only 2 pages actually. And I'm just going to say wrap text here. And when you see that dotted line here, it shows how this page is going off here. So I'll just pull this over to here. You might have to put this on 2 pages, okay? But I'm going to show you a couple of little tricks to do this. I'm going into page layout, and then I go to sheet, print titles, okay? I want to repeat the rows at top. I click inside here. That is good. And I'm going to just go into this. If I do a thing here, pull this down, Control P. I could shrink this font down. It's a big font, okay? You could zoom it up to see it better on the screen here. But if I go into here, again, I'm going to go on the Home tab. It's 11. I could make this 9. And I know it's hard to see this on the screen. I'm going to make this column even narrower. We're wrapping the text here. It's not showing it now. What I do, I click on the wrap text again. It's still not going in here. So what I could do, I'm going to click in here. I double click on any line in here. It should be forcing this to go here. Somebody could have done something in here which has kind of, what's the word, messed things up. I could go into here, pull this down. I'm trying to make this a quick video. And academic excellence. Now it's working. And I'll go here, wrap text. Now it is working. Sometimes it does get funky. I can see a dotted line here where it's going to a second page here. I do a print preview, and then what it's doing here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's going to the second page here. That is the other half. However, you're going to have to print this on second sheets here, which you can also do. If I go into page layout, page setup, sheet, and then I could say columns to repeat at left. I might want to put down the principal. I highlight that column there, print preview. See, that way you're seeing the principal of the school. And however, if I go to page setup and I go into sheet, this is grayed out. You can't do it that part from the print preview. So these were a few shortcuts in working with the Excel. That smart tag is awesome, and with more work we can get this thing to fit properly and provide a report. You could also print this on legal size paper if you have it.